I'm back and I'm still cool. Today, we're taking a middle school biology exam. Cody, why are you taking a middle school biology exam? Well, you see, earlier this week, I said I was gonna make a video about The Sims 4. Every single time I went to try playing that game, it made me feel extremely sick. I believe it had something to do with the colors of the screen and perhaps all of the sounds coming out of my computer. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was, okay? But it could not be done. It simply could not be done. So here we are at quizzes.com. Quiznos. We're at Quiznos. Here we are at quizzes.com, where I found Biology Final Exam Review Part 1. Dear God. Excuse me, Mrs. Mulder, why do we need a two-part biology final exam in middle school? Let's reel it in a little bit. Anyway, we're gonna start. I don't want to start a live quiz. How do I do something different? Classic. Oh, shut up. Let us begin. Do all of your body cells contain the same DNA? Why, yes, they do. Unless you've been a victim of some sort of horrible radiation. Yes. Yes. Show answer. Oh my God, let me go find a quiz I can actually do, and I'll be right back. So here we find ourselves at study.com, where I will be taking the Life Science Middle School final exam. Choose your answer to the question and click continue to see how you did. Then click next question to answer the next question. How stupid do you think I am? Which of the oh God, I'm already gonna do a very poor job. I would like to preface that, we're already starting very badly because I'm starting with a preface. I would like to preface this by saying I decided to study music in my collegiate career. Keep that in mind, motherfucker. Which of the following is not a role of the echinoderms? They are a source of lime. They keep the shark population in check by eating shark eggs. They control algae from overtaking ocean floor. They clean ocean floor. They clean the ocean floor. I'm gonna go with they keep the shark population in check by eating shark eggs because that sounds like a made-up answer. Oh, thank God. Okay, next question. A neurotransmitter is a type of muscle cell, chemical signal, nerve cell, electrical signal. Do you think I'm stupid? Come on. Oh! Which of the following is viewed as scientific fact without any exceptions? Hypothesis, observation, analysis, law, and theory. We're going with law. I think La Roche should be a permanent judge on Drag Race. They have so much to offer in the world of culture, in the world of critique, in the world of style and perception. I also love the way that some people say two individual first and surname La Roche. They go La Roche, La Roche, La Roche. Anyway, we got this right because I am a genius and we're not remembering what just happened. Which of the following is Yucca Mountain in Nevada known for? It contains the most nuclear power plants in the United States. It was the site of the worst US nuclear accident in history. It is the hometown of the most famous nuclear scientist. It is a proposed site for permanent storage of nuclear waste. A mountain doesn't contain the power plants. It would be like the flat fields around it, just in case. It is the hometown of the most famous nuclear scientist. That's a little wishy-washy for me. So we're gonna get rid of these two off the top. It was the site of the worst nuclear accident in history, or it was a proposed site for permanent storage of nuclear waste. Am I feeling cynical, or am I feeling hopeful for the future? And you know what? That's what I get. Because I always say, I don't believe in cynicism. Which of the following is least likely to be used in an experiment in which a human growth hormone gene is inserted into a plasmid? How is this a middle school final exam? That's just a quick question I have. I don't even know half of these words. Which of the following is least likely to be used in an experiment? Origin of replication, antibiotic resistance gene, insulin gene, selectable marker, multiple cloning site, human growth hormone gene. Let's do insulin. What the fuck? Okay, and you know what? This is why I always say, I'm a genius. Is it a question at this point? Regulation of groundwater pollution is controlled by which of the following? EPA!
EPA! EPA! EPA!
Oh, the Safe Water Drinking Act, the Clean Water Act, the Federal Water Pollution Control Act, or the Pollution Prevention Act. Now I feel like some of these are fake. Do you know what I mean? I remember taking, oh my god, I'm being timed? I didn't even know I was being timed. What the fuck? Oh my god, now my heart's pounding. And now I'm seeing all of these other questions that have nothing to do with what I'm doing right now. This one, the Federal Water Pollution Control Act. Fuck my tight little... DNA stands for which of the following? And don't even get me fucked up because I know for a fact it's deoxyribonucleic acid. Which of the following is true about savannas? They're blonde, they have huge tits, they're usually about 5'2", or they always wear jean shorts in the months June through August. Whatever. They are the most productive biome on Earth. They are grasslands interspersed. Jesus. They are grasslands interspersed with trees that occur in temperate and tropical climates. They are tropical grasslands. They get less than 12 inches of rain per year. On a per acre basis, they contain the largest biomass of any biome on Earth. What the fuck? No, because I feel like savannas are always dry and tropical climates are extremely humid. Wouldn't savannas be in like a desert climate? Let's do less than 12 inches of rain per year. Oh no. Oh no. Yet again, I've stumbled upon a situation in which I would have been correct. Let's learn to trust our guts in the last 6 of these questions. You could say that the placenta acts like the kidneys because it carries out this function. Filters out harmful substances before they reach the fetus. Provides a skeletal framework for the fetal body as it develops. No, idiot. Provides special senses for the fetus such as taste and smell. What the fuck? It's just a big tongue. Makes the muscles of the fetus contract and relax. No, that's... being alive. Makes the fetus immune to all diseases. Okay, let's... somebody call this school. What causes a lateral branch to grow upwards? Okay. Oh my god! Positive geotropism, negative geotropism, positive thigmotropism, negative thigmotropism, negative phototropism. Upwards would be positive. Let's do geo. What the fuck? What the hell is a lateral branch? Remember when that girl that eats chicken asked that man with the curly hair if he could read, and he went, what the hell is this? What is the process of making bone called? Hardening, osteoclastation, erosion, ossification, glazing. Oh, isn't glazing one of the terms the kids use nowadays? Like their bros glazing on him? Ossification. The first known member of the genus Homo was the...
Hey, Mom. How's some kind of gay talking going on?
The whole hallway smells like cum.
And that is the only right answer. Homo sapien, Neanderthal, Homo erectus, Homo ergaster, Homo habilis. Homo erectus. Fuck me with your Homo erectus. If an individual has genotype DD, they are heterozygous, homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, dominant recessive, homozygous recessive. Why is this taught to middle schoolers? Who needs to know these things? Teach them how to like wash their arms. Let's do homozygous dominant. Hetero, but there's 2 of the same, whatever, it doesn't matter. When I was a little kid, it was just boys and girls. Which of the following is false about atmospheric carbon dioxide levels? Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels are currently at higher levels than they have been at any other time in the past 800,000 years. Probably yes. Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels are highly correlated to global temperature. Literally yes. Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels have steadily increased each and every year for the past 46 years straight. Yes. Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels follow a non-seasonal pattern. False. I forgot that it was like a tricky backwards one. That's what I consider tricky and backwards. Okay, we're at the final question. Haven't really, 7 correct, 7 missed. Oh dear God, I'm failing this exam. Oh, I'm just realizing now that this boils it down to this fucking question. What a horrifying, this is a horrifying position to be in. Oh my God, why might a biology department plan to set up a, what? I can't even read the questions now, I'm so nervous. Why might a biology department plan to set up a research station in a rainforest? They want to study the jungle, they want to study the weather patterns, they want to collect rainfall, they want to measure the precipitation levels of this something. There's something about a biome in there, there's something about bugs in there, there's something about panthers, there's something about community. Which is why I want to talk to you. Can you imagine there's a brand deal right there? Why might a biology department plan to set up a research station in a rainforest? To monitor changing ground level fauna during autumn? Sure. To study the effect of sub-zero temperatures on plant biodiversity? A little too chilly for that. To document seasonal changes in tree morphology? Okay. To investigate drought conditions in a natural ecosystem? Not in a rainforest, not yet at least. To collect plant samples to test for possible medicinal properties? Plant samples. That means I passed this quiz. I passed the quiz. Oh my God, I wish I could tell my mom. Mom, I passed this middle school biology quiz. Well, I got a 53. And listen again, I chose to study the art of music with my academic career. Areas of weakness, classifications of organisms, genetics and hereditary traits, types of ecosystems, the brain and nervous system, how plants grow and reproduce, environmental concerns, natural resources. Okay, so I'm a dumb idiot. Areas of strength, introduction to life science, DNA replication and mutation, introduction to ecosystems, changing ecosystems, invertebrates, mammal reproduction and development, the skeletal system and connective tissue. So I'm alive. Listen. I never said I was a genius, I just claimed to be a genius, and you believed me, and that's on you. I had a horrible middle school biology teacher. In fact, I had a very sick parent in middle school, and one of my best friend's moms decided to take up the responsibility of like parent-teacher conferences, and every time she would say, I'm also here for Cody, the teachers would apologize to her. And this one biology teacher, she grabbed her shoulders like she had just said somebody died, and she went, I am so sorry. That makes me feel like shit. But you know what? I'm not in a middle school biology class anymore. You know where I am? Literally everywhere on the internet. If you want to follow me anywhere else, everywhere else, I'm Cody Jacob.